reminder on your R-controlled vowels. We have R, ear, or. That R takes control and it makes it say a different sound. Some of these words also have an E at the end. All right, number 1, sharp. The rock is very sharp. Sharp. Number 2, yard. We planted the flowers in our yard. Yard. Number 3, artist. This painting was made by an artist. Artist. Number 4, carve. Who will carve the turkey? Carve. Number 5, porch. I like to sit on our porch. Number 6, storm. That storm had strong winds. Storm. Number 7, sport. What is your favorite sport? Sport. Number 8, story. Mom told me a good story. Story. Number 9, chore. My chore is to dry the dishes. Chore. Number 10, share. Shore. Izzy swam all the way to the shore. Shore. Number 11, sore. My feet were sore after the hike. Sore. Number 12, hoard. Sloane began to hoard her candy. Hoard. Number 13, oars. Row with the boat's oars. Oars. Number 14, pour. Please pour a glass of water for